Hello, my people. I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Also, not dey fine. Una do well, so una tell help me dey share, comment, like. I really appreciate una. My people, this video, na about do this video. So he play one audio wey a friend for that is a friend able store as a friend. Wey for talk to one of Albert fans, no, as he take ask am money, wetin dem wan do now, something like meeting or something like that. So Albert now don come talk am say he with able wetin dem call am, able stone, sorry, able stone, e friend, una know am na the time wey election dey hot that time, na him with that boy na him dey together. Say dem don divide garri. Me I no understand o why e be like why e be say dem no dey see friendship again. I no understand really, because like this Ebostone, anyway I believe say Ebostone with Albert dem no fit be friend like that before. Because we dey see as Albert take dey do a live video, we still dey see say the time wey dem do election na that time na dem come dey close well well. But wetin me I no understand, my people, why friend, if you know say you get friend, be careful really. Why friend go dey record the other friend? That means na fake friend na dem be. Because if I dey see sometimes go say I get your record wetin you do 2 years ago, the time wey you with the person dey play, me come dey talk am say then for inside me I go say person wey fit keep record 2 years ago na still dey play, una no get misunderstanding. Meaning e go fit put something for your food o wa woriyawo be den. Na my own opinion be this one, because we don see many things for social media wetin don pass wey dem do, we go come dey see am, see your record, make the other one no know say e dey record down. Because as Albert take dey talk, because wetin make me talk for this matter, wetin make me dey chook my mouth for inside now, because it's like the time wey Albert first do the first video, I still carry that video, I was like wetin dey go on, abi na another person dey talk to, because people dey talk say na Ebostone. But today yesterday as he do this video, he come confirm am say yes na Ebostone, he with am don divide garri. This one don go here, the other one don go here. I no know wetin dey happen really, wey friendship no dey last again. Whether na some people dey do am because he want wetin you get, he go want make e draw you near body. Once he don fit get that thing elite you, he go come throw away you. Because na that one me I dey think about o, because me I no understand wetin cause quarrel between Albert and Ebostone. I no know wetin cause quarrel between them, because the kind play wey dem play, wey dem take help Obazee, I no understand. Anyway, I no understand really. Wey go come burst like this one go say if you talk too much I go play your audio. The time wey me with you dey waka, you no know say I record you. My people, dey make person dey fear to say I wan make friend to person. Na my own me I dey talk, like me I no get friends. I no get. I dey use my children take dey do my friend, use my husband take dey do friend, because I no fit. Now this thing now I no like, because you dey follow person, maybe you follow person with all your heart, you no know say you don get something for hand wey go say anytime wey you make pen I go just throw am for road. E dey, because we dey hear many things, we dey see many things wey dey go on, especially when social media come now. Anything wey you just do, just know say if you no do well, dem come bring am come. Maybe wetin you dey talk that moment na joke na you take talk am o, but na you as you don talk am na people no come take am as joke. Because sometimes if you dey with your friends, una just dey talk with joking thing, you don talk that thing, then dem go edit am, throw away the wetin dem dey talk before, come put that one wey you talk come out for mouth. E dey, we dey see everything. You see say sometimes dem dey play audio, you no go hear their wetin dem talk, but na wetin you talk, wetin come out from your mouth, because na you na dem wan attack, na your own na dem come bring come out, make people come lis ten. But people wey dey wise na go come think say, come dey talk am say why e be say na that one na dem dey hear, your own voice no dey, wetin happen? That means una cut am comot. Because as me dey talk now, if I dey talk to person, we dey discuss, your own suppose to dey inside, You go ask me question, I go reply you, or we go dey gist. May I put the video, more than lis ten to her bat with the video, with the audio.
Me I able to my God, that's what friendship be. Ah, God, oh. Hey, if they tell me that me go do online today, they talk about Able Stone. I'll say make the naughty daughter make it say the naughty daughter not know what they do. As in, sometimes I'll just wake up and like, am I dreaming or is reality? But it's reality. Reality or not? Because it coming. It coming. Even when I was getting comments, even when I was getting people like, be careful, we know this guy. When he was with Tony Kabaka, he betrayed Tony, he betrayed this one. When he was driver welfare, I told them, I said, oh man, change. He may not all change. But yeah, maybe his own day different. Well, I'm not here to run him down. Because he is quiet. I think quiet, I saw me quiet too. I think quiet. Some people say he has been very, very mature. Now some people say mature. He say he get my videos, he record me. When I talk to people anyhow, when I insult some people for the government, and I tell people say make he bring and come out. Even madam young here lad a lawyer can na we we since to then we had this same. I may not give you code. A small boy now. So I don't want to discuss us. I want to discuss the fact that now social media talk for see me and Able Stone. Now not know us for ground. And it was during the election that we won't take day close some more. Not be saying that me go meet her for friendship. Now he come meet me. Me go say. Now he come meet me. If they do rally that and then they come they jump for front of my camera because he was desperate for popularity. There are a lot of Togba generals that did a lot that were not interested in showing their face in the camera like Mawe, hey, Mawarema, Mawe. But when I like the publicity also, I gave it to him. After the election, we'll leave that aside. There is a club that Able belonged to. Before this whole matter, he was the president of Dominion Club. I did very sure say many of them don't see me if they attend Dominion Club parties. If I go there, say maybe any of the Dominion Club members they do something, any members may feel. Hello? It's all. I hear. No. Allow me talk. Please, I am live now. Please, I am live. I'm sorry. So, this is what I don't like. So I know they attend their parties. Many people they will say I'm a member of Dominion Club. I am not. So before you know it, may I introduce you to my Able Stone. The next thing, you Dominion Club. May I have a Sama of UK, have a Chief of Gefo, Samuyi, Honorable. These are my people. On a Konya. Dominion Club. The matter love. Now what they like that they join. So Me, I don't believe in meeting, especially when it's headed by a funny character. Many of them say me, I don't know. I know, but unu what the social media. Yeah, good ba. Abati waregui. Yeah, good ba. Yeah, tra. Yeah, try my best. Agui. And if I did not make a mistake, made a bit down the wa. That's why I read we made a bit down the wa. Yeah, I'm your Serena. All after 3 days, my agui la dia. Made a bit try for the first time. I said, man, I listen to now. So it land me now. So we always rolling. We travel together. We go everywhere together. We go party together. Oh God. How about? Oh God. So well, may not to talk. May not to talk. May just try. Like I said, try. Let's try. Such is life. Okay, let me just go straight to the point. Make I not just to talk. Let me go straight to the point. Because I already promised some persons that I will not mention him again. I never mentioned him. This is the first time I'm mentioning him. And I will not do live video. If not for this sleep. See this? I want to see this sleep. Hello? Please, I don't like what you are doing. I'm not a baby. I'm not a baby now. No, please, not when I'm on live video. I don't like this now. Okay, I hear you. No, excuse me. Oh yeah, tell me what you want. Tell me now. Now, I don't want. Excuse me. I don't want advice. Wherever I can remember able so that travel. Were you there? Excuse me. That is past. Not when I am betrayed. Excuse me. Don't say that. Excuse me, please. Don't say that. Please. I don't want to mention you. You are calling me now. Hey, call him, eh? Don't call me on this matter. I use Almighty God to beg you. If we are in that video, may I call you? We're there. Please stop it. Stop calling me. More time with my able to agree, we will settle. But I hate betrayal. I hate when you betray me. You show to me in front that you're my friend. Why you keep me? We are silly me. I bet. If you have not been betrayed, you don't know the way I feel. You think I'm happy, and I'm coming online to call my friend out. You think I'm happy? They told you what la jana way you can't offend here. People are always in a hurry. Forgive. How? Also, no, let me agree. Because someone who forgive now, why heal? I must heal before you preach forgiveness to me. I need to heal. Because the question I'm asking myself now for how many days is, where did I wrong him? Where did I offend him? Where did I touch the friendship? Say, when I not touch it, when I not error, I'm here to get an answer. May I leave many talk. So, if you don't say you don't do business with me, since you know me for social media, as I see your phone, 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 because anytime you call for see your phone matter, I will give you your file number. Me and you will go and do GIS. You will see your file. You will say, no, they my table. Whatever delay we are experiencing there is not from me. It's from the government. That is why my boys, as we speak, they are angry because I said no more fresh application until they give me 200 CFOs because we have over 300 applications. So as I CFO, if you have done any business with me online, on social media, anything, or say I don't chop your #1, send the information to Ebostone to expose me. What in Ebostone? Or am I of information now? When of your near? Yeah, man, information men are saying. Sometimes, yeah, I never tell me what is going on. I blame my way. Nisi Keme. Now go. A time is coming that we will talk. Social media was not my involved. That's why I will also come to social media to tell you people what happened. I with your ego, or you give me more to make I help you say. I said the more I don't give you money. Please send the information to Ebostone. Or you give me money, make I help you buy land. I not buy. Send the information to Ebostone. Or you give money, make I help you lodge CFO. I not lodge. Anything that you know that if they will go or if you will go, since 2013 that I have been doing social media, please send the information to my enemies. Let them come out and disgrace me. In my way video where anybody you go near my fans, these are my people. They trusted him because they were seeing him with me. And I did not be the highest betrayer because he knows what I stand for. Ebo knows we cannot fear me. Cannot fear ki. Imudiawa. Cannot go. Imudiawa. Even when they were accusing me where governor approved 83,000 pay people in the diaspora, I defended myself. And I challenged Lamptey. I said, Lamptey, should we go governor going? Where my governor lie. Your platform, town hall meeting, was available. La will go, no, come on. Get about it, here, man, go. Come on. When are you gonna? I'm not even arrest me where are you gonna read him? I'm not your. I'm not even arrest myself. I'm not even arrest me now. I'm always contented. Yeah, I'm one that I could lose. In fact, at a point, amen. You make your Daniel. Sometimes 2 weeks in your office. It was. I was off track completely. Off track. And when you're different from my own, it's always the new Bini and Adoawa. Yeah, if you boss your street in the year, I could have to balance. Yeah, and when it made different, but I almost lost my senses. You have to tell you how groove when I celebrate. But thank God, where in my way, I realize it. Who are you me now? I will block you. Yeah, block you. You need to stop what you are doing. Why you harassing me now? Why you harassing me now? Why you harassing me now? Can you please stop calling me? You are harassing me now. Can you just stop and respect my rights? Why you harassing me now? Why you harassing me now? Why you disturbing me now? Make disturb me where? Where? Make disturb me where? Have I ever called you? Will you stop? Will you stop? Later, why about him? We call. what man go when I go say? Also, in the late travel, maybe Yokpa, my way almost the same thing. My say the same native. All wrong in record the way. You record the man. All wrong in record the way. About the here deal with. So you reckon or send me what my boy cook for 9 months. You been out thing. What you do? Abi only wagwalo. But me, okay, Kenya boy recording one. Now my matter. Now go test every day they pray. Any record when you are here like internet. Now view where you butter. I am praying every day. I just want to see one of the recording. A recording. Why you like there? Oh, you move. I'm even one of there. So the matter, Boston, you touched our friendship. Thank God people are congratulating me. It's not a game. Amata mawe. Etunye o. Ati gui. Ibe you ka wala wa gui. Iteo ge or divenia. I still got my reservation. Even as soon what permission. In a protected as a friend. Even a no ya do a portrait. In a protected as a friend. Even the burro nimna ruda emweya. Ye may emweya rudi me de. Oh lele mani rovi me was say. You know sir. Sakura holding ranomigo. Mamiya ite ye wa me we only camera. How about they are your brothers? Hotel Wakin, Wagui, Ubetik me. Make us shock. If you have noticed the day when I come from Lagos, I can't inside a motto. When they call the talk of my video, I ended the video. That was the day I concluded with the friendship now. You can't move. So, you don't move me away. Omane Boka Miego, 500,000, he has returned the money. Or seven or true me oya on what till you can ya fear my go. Then you may when I am where me go. I know that you have money. Me not talk I got one. It will mean that they go away near interview where I learn near interview when we make it go on. So this guy is my fan. Let me yeah, save a number again. When we may more save a number fancy man. Because there are many. I mean, why go? I want you put to listing. If not good thing you do, I would tell me. If not bad thing I do, if not me wrong, I would tell me. Not me right, tell me. Because when you get your no wahia me or can son in fact no a betrayal wahia me why survive or can go one or can me one betrayal ni me na or can go one when I will not say you nebo my boy you nebo 0 more 0 we don't like another time no like another time we can my you not pay bills or my you cornerly go many ya fee. Most of the time, mon amigo yafi, morigo no yafi. It's in the public domain. What the hell?
Okay, my guy, call you. The registration fee is 50,000. Then my company 2,000 I pay every Sunday for the Dominion trading. Then remember, or I'm a cool. It's a importance. It's 10,000 naira EP fee, 10,000 naira spray compulsory. You understand me? That so after that 2,000, 10 million, 1 million, 100 naira, 1,000. What you pay then every 6 months, my brother on your way. So at the end of the year, my lady I say I and each members. So those are this thing. But then
that's Abel Stone talking to my fan. Emma contacted because of his relationship with me. I was the cover. I was the guarantor. Wait, what damn you?
Bros, good morning. This Abel Stone, I see some group of video where the guy play for on Facebook, and the guy the video involved a meeting. I can't call this guy. Meanwhile, I knew him through this election period. About Obazee, I already sent that card during the process of this campaign. I sent a card because I see the way they do that time. The thing they impress me. I already send a card. That one no matter. After the election, you can't bring out one Dominion Club something, and I was interested. I said, okay, may I see this immediately? This saves more money. Yeah, you have to save. I can't call now. How this meeting they pay? He said the meeting. He said that they pay 2,500 every week, and that is for the treasury. And afterward, I feel pay 100, I feel pay 1,000, I feel pay 1 million. Anything where I get, I feel they pay. But at the end of every 6 months, they will give me my money, and at the end of the year, blessed they will share us and every other thing. I don't understand. I was not interested in that. But as the thing just starts, he said the thing starts on January. As the thing just starts, the guy just, he call me, they demand unnecessary money, say, now so they want to do this one, now so they want to do that. The thing just dawned on me that this guy will use me for office. Me, I just stop. After I just send her, I first send her 20K. I can't get a receipt now. I can't send her 180. He said to join the meeting, I need to pay 80,000, buy some other things, which is sum up to 80,000. I can say, okay, this is 80,000. I want me to pay 100,000 every month. Me, they pay 100,000. Me, I pay. I can't give him 180,000. Now I give this guy. He can't do the registration. Just do it. But as he call me, my mind not can take. I say this guy will use me for office. Me, I just stop. That at the end of the 6 months when we talk, I will call him, collect my money, and leave the platform. As the 6 months just end, I can't call him. Abel Stone, can you transfer the money to me? He said, which money? He said, all this time, me not they participate. Say, they don't pay some dues. They don't pay. I say, which dues you don't pay? Even the meeting where you talk, say you did. My name not did the list. My name not the group. My name not the Facebook group. I did see you now, but my name is not included. I'm not interested in it. Can you please forward my money to me? This guy just go aggressive, just insult me, say, be small picking, this, that. Me, I did very careful, this, that. I just leave her. I can't even send one of the number. I send the number to one man. Maybe you will know the man, Mr. Steven. Me Steven, let me call and talk to her. Steven seen call her 2 times. He said the guy not great pick up. Now I just leave her. All this why I just leave her. The write a message, go see my message, just ignore. The write a message, go see my message, just ignore. Now see me and just report the issue to you, bros. I greet you, bros. Thank you.
As we talk now, I find this guy number come on just now. I don't know him before. And I believe there are many out there when because of say if they follow me, they trust him. My own fans may fear go. If I don't ever ask you for money, disgrace me, put the screenshot on the internet. Or I don't ever call you for money or look for a way to play you 419. Disgrace me.
Bros, you know the reason why I haven't decided to join the meeting? Because through the process, Abel Stone tell me say you are part of the meeting. He says some other government officials, some lawyers.
I'm not a member of Dominion Club. I'm not a member. I'm just a friend because he was the president they just suspended him. I heard that the meeting just suspend him for some money when you not fit give account for things like this. I just be friend because me and Ebona, I just be friend to the meeting. Maybe if Ebo tell me there's also of a meeting member get party and I know the person, I go follow him, go there. He read the meeting. And he tell this guy, say, I did the meeting. May I read the meeting? I not did the meeting. I ain't even fear key. Not no why do you go boy or go back away, can't give me my money. I not did the meeting. I'm not a member of Dominion Club. Now even make me not join the meeting safe. Now when yet I did my meeting, I'm angry. Because we had to do a meeting where do I always so he challenge you. I don't be member of the meeting.
Bros, you know the reason why I even decided to join the meeting? Because through the process, Aboston tell me say you are part of the meeting. He says some other government officials, some lawyers, they did. Some doctor, they get some pictures where they show me. He said all those ones they did the meeting. I say, okay, all those people, those learned people, they not fit did this meeting. Maybe say this meeting now one kind of fraud or fraudulent system. I say, okay, I will be part of this thing. May I just with my own little money, may I just see the contribute to the giver. In so it send me account number, I come forward that the 180k. Meanwhile, I don't first send I first send 20,000 on that one. That one not just that. Just first send 20,000. Me I not just count out, but the one way I think just give the proof. Now that 180k. And secondly, I even joined because in talk say you still did the meeting, and I was even told that a postone that's in number 2 man for this public work service for Edo State. I can say, okay, since this guy still did this level, I'm not sure say he will feel play me. And I just give him the money based on say Abatoba say they involved. Say in this thing go be scam. If you not give me this money, bros, honestly speaking, from my own heart, I'm going to sue the club. Thank God I've already discussed the issue with my lawyer. The lawyer is processing things now. He never know. I want just call Aboston. I can say no need. I know just call him. Since I've been calling him, he refused to return my call. He refused to respond to me positively. Now say make a tender. May I report this issue to you? And the lawyer they process things now. I beg anything way he knows he will do to return the money, make it return. I've already forwarded my account to him about 2-3 months back, but no reply, no response from his end. Tell her for me to leave that 200,000 for her. I better just collect her. I will dash anybody for street. 200,000, not be anything, or 180,000, not be anything for me. But I need the money back. I need that. I beg, talk to that guy. Whatever he think he is, now nothing. Just talk to her. I beg, bros. I greet you, bros.
So, I got the Malaga I'll say, yeah, to call it, a matter I'm walking, I just say, he block every WhatsApp in there. So, if Facebook me here not going, please, my brother, if you know what is good for you, return this guy's money. You have his number. His name is Osamu Yime. When you with this matter on us, maybe my way or badwe a kinomak banner. Liga Amade Gaza, Ali Gaza. He might not register a meeting where, but he said not that the meeting, he not even join the WhatsApp group. So my brother Iga and going forward as a bomber as I want, I won't say because of what is going on. I do as a suspect or enemies. I won't do that. I will still continue to make friends. I will still continue to open my doors for people to come in, no matter what. But I'm sure I'll be more careful going forward. But that will not stop me from palling any people. I'm not going to say, oh, I'm out. Hey, don't be sure. Many of them, they've called him. What's Sunu? Oh, get tired. Why is Abba angry? Oh, get tired. Will I just friendship that I cherish so much? No matter not David and now. Oh, yeah, me try. Didn't hear about Obebo. Only hear about Obebo. The young gonna people, everybody popularity in me. The young gonna boy, but it only take they will not go. So now I will not mention your name, and after today I will not mention your name. But please, if I get anybody when get business dealing with you, I will come online, come ask you. So if you know say you get anybody when know me, or any transaction when you mention my name, I beg go clear and so I mean they know they come to me. I want to move on. I'm not ready for this talk. Because my platform is too big for me to discuss you. Please, this guy money, call on this night. You do transfer where when you transfer money to her. Now me go even call and say you don't see your money Abi. I beg, tell your lawyer make it pro. Me, I'm not ready for case. Me, I don't like court case. Tell your lawyer make it rest for this matter. Anybody where you know say you know me and you get any financial dealings with them, let me know. You for still inform me. About so better your personal. At last you did the meeting. No, you don't did the meeting. I just want to make join. Why I talk to her like that. And this time I go tell you say, oh, I ain't even told you. So my brother, I say call you my elder brother. You say boy anyway. Go and sort your issue with Osamuyi me. Go and sort your issue with Osamuyi me. Anytime say. Since when you go, you go, you want to run. I hate when you betray me. I will not mention your name. And who you say, okay, I want to read this your comment. You say 3 years ago, I wanted to buy a land in a community around bypass. It was about Obazee that helped me discover that the land was fraud. I called him to investigate and he didn't turn me down. I don't even remember this story they tell me so. Bros. It is my way, my brother. If I tell you what will they go through. I not sure say I go too owe money like that. Say I come one multi-billionaire. I only your girl to go feel they pay my bills. Because it's Samuel Obama is like Rodrigo. So I don't see myself like throughout this period, my way boy kuna, you go to book one lawa. Never see my kuna, yeah. That is why you can't get the way. We are going. You hear the real Betty, Nania. You hear the real Betty. Emi through me. Emi that was severe diaspora. Adibata go and take care. But so I mean good the girl abati. Have you abati wake up or for me be? You hear me? You can lose. You can lose. So Waneru. Okay, TV now. Okay, TV. When did the last chance in now? The last chance. You new home book. Are you a friend with the gist? How I just hey this one. Oh, wait a minute, I'm going. Oh, I'll view your phone. Forget politics, way politics. Even if you through him, the baka. And it's possible where those things are lies. It's very possible where those things are lies. Very possible those things are lies. Or we a matter, we'll go to Globacom. Or we a matter, how do you Globacom? I pretty call login like in the last 1 month. Or we a matter. So people talk say about anything when you want to know they talk and come out. You know why they talk and come out? I don't get that wicked mind to hurt person. That's why I'll just talk and come out. Like if you feel avoid them, you go avoid them because he got sworn he have beg. I don't know always hear a beg. I don't know if I take any decision. I don't hear a beg, but I'll first give you clue. I'll first tell you, see what I want to do. Make it not come as surprise to you. So you hear who make it not come as surprise to you. Make I make I read the message I sent to Abel last 2 weeks. Anyway, immediately after the daughter's birthday, immediately soon. Now we know. Now we any time social media when you time. Now it is time. Everybody can manage. May I read the message for now? This is 30th of August. Okay. You were bro. I really want to be focused in this remaining part of this year. I don't need any kind of verbal, physical, or moral distractions. Regards to Madam and the kids. I don't read in your response to me. This one. I know will read your response to me. I know I'll fall in hand. So that's how I will talk and reach. So good night everyone. One you married all rubbish or rubbish no. Your it cannot day. A mugie. Your de canai. Please call Samuyi me. And your voice note that will play us now. You know. Yeah. I want you to send me a message tomorrow. Say, Able don't send me my 200,000 naira. The tie say, what you